I got another new song for you. I just wrote it a week ago or so. Let's see how it goes. And I roll up like 100-foot tsunami, but I fade away like a little wave. You know where we're all going. Tomorrow's just another new rain. And these words I sing for you, lost like shadows in the night, as ink runs the paper through. Well, what else to do? I think I might just make up another new tune, sounding light echo my wounds, as my thoughts onto canvas bleed out. Hearing their plight makes me shout. And I crash down, yeah, I crash down. Everything is spinning out of control, and so we crash down. And I crash down like a failed elephant, shot by some poacher from a jeep. And I storm into peace as a leviathan, and in lies without a beat. Another species gone extinct, waiting for the change to stop. Lost in lies again, hoodwinked. I told this tree why we have to chop, and let's just make up a new tune, sounding light echo my words, as my thoughts onto canvas bleed out. Hearing their plight makes me shout. Hearing their plight makes me shout. Oh, hearing their plight makes me shout. And all these words I sing for you, lost like shadows in the night, as ink runs this paper